Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe, I am an automation advisor. Sometimes in business you have a process where new files are constantly saved to a specific folder. These files often come from internal software systems or business partners. When the flow of new files stops, it usually means something has broken and requires the attention of a server administrator or another responsible employee. In today's demo, I'll show you how to automatically detect such a situation when no new or modified files appear in a folder for 1 hour. It's very easy to create this type of alert using Febate Automation Workshop. Automation Workshop is a no-code application that lets you automate a wide range of Windows tasks. Let's start by creating an automated task. Workflows or tasks are built using the Task Creation Wizard, a step-by-step guide that makes the process quick, easy, and scripting-free. First, let's add a trigger to check our folder every minute. For that, I'll use the Task Scheduler trigger. This trigger will start the workflow once per minute. Actions are the building blocks of any workflow. They perform the actual work. I've already expanded the file-related actions, and as you can see, there's a lot of potential for automating Windows tasks. For this demo, I'll choose the List Files action. Here's how it works. Every minute, the workflow will list files in the folder and filter only those modified within the last 1 hour. If the list contains entries, it means files are still coming in, and everything is fine. But if the list is empty, it means no files were created or modified during the last hour, and someone must be notified. I'll provide the folder path here. In the Exclude tab, you can filter files by their timestamps. I have configured it to include only files modified within the last 1 hour. Once we have a file list, we need to check whether it contains any files. You can quickly find actions by typing the first letter, and matching actions will be shown. The if action is what we need. Using the variable wizard, I'll select the number of files variable returned by the List Files action. I'll compare this number to 0. So the workflow logic is simple. List all files created or modified in the last hour. If there are none, then take action. As that action, you can choose to send an email, play a sound on your speakers, or even start a custom app. With Automation Workshop, you can easily automate repetitive and mundane Windows tasks. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.